Hi everyone, welcome to Just for Fun. I've had this forever, and I meant to do something with it, to be honest with you. And I want to buy the motor that goes with it to spin it slowly around that. And I never got around to buying it, to be honest with you. So what I've thought is to do a hack with this clock. So I'm going to have a go at it, hopefully it works. And let's see what happens. It should be a very fast, quick hack actually. Well, here we are. So the idea is to do something with this clock. Now this clock is actually working, but it's a very old one and I'm willing to let it go. So I put a new battery in there. So I just want the clock part. Try to take it off somehow. I know, somewhere saying, shame to waste a nice clock. Well, that was easy. Nice glass. Can't do nothing with it. I'm interested in the second hand because the second hand goes slowly around. I'm not really interested in the others. Just want to take it off nice and carefully. So let's see if that works. Working nicely. Okay, that's good enough for me. The only thing I'm not sure about this is if it can take the weight. I could actually just hook this hook on here and leave it like that. Just spin it around. I'm thinking of bending. So that's what I've done. I'm going to glue it on to be sure. Okay, so I'm just going to glue. What I've done, I put 2 rubber bands like this to hold it up, maybe like that. So just going to glue the rubber bands down. what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang this up and video it going around slowly. So obviously you'll see the video speeded up so you can actually see it turning, because this will turn very slowly, otherwise you'll be looking at it forever. Scrub this. Okay guys, what I found, the rubber band didn't work, so I had to take the rubber band off, and it needs to be flat. So for temporary purposes I just glued it up there to see, and as you can see that is spinning around. You can even hear it. See that spinning around. So that's spinning around, and then this is also spinning. Although that's going that way around. We'll call this one a success. Hope you enjoyed. Do subscribe, thumbs up, comment, anything else you'd like to say. There you go, it is spinning. I'm very pleased with this indeed. But the only thing is that needs to be flat to make it work.